Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to sign up from Temu account on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Temu applications, and here if you want to sign up from your account from the Temu apps, you just have to go to this Me option and now tap on this gear icon. And after, here at the bottom we will find out the sign in option. If you want to sign out, you just have to tap on it, and after there are two options again of the pop-up, which is switch accounts if you have another account, and here I'm gonna tap on sign out. It will look like this, yeah guys. Here if you want to sign in, you can tap on this remember if you want to save an info for your account, but if you don't want to save it an info, here you just have to tap on this option which is not now. Here I'm gonna tap on remember, now tap on sign out, and yeah, as you can see, this is for the sign out feature guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.